It was a bright morning on the mountain road, the kind of place where every sign screams, "Drive carefully!" But of course, not everyone listens. First came Big Joe, the truck driver, carrying a load of watermelons stacked higher than his cab. He told himself, "Relax, Joe, you've done this 1,000 times." Then he saw a sign, "Dangerous curve ahead." He ignored it. Next appeared Speedy Sam in a tiny red sports car. He looked at Joe's slow truck and laughed. "Ha! I'll overtake this giant in no time!" So he pressed the pedal to the floor. Behind them, Officer Jenny in a police car was patrolling. She saw Sam speeding and muttered, "Not on my watch!" Siren on. The mountain echoed with the sound of engines, screeching tires, and Jenny's wailing siren. As they all reached the curve, chaos began. Joe's watermelons started rolling out of the truck bed, thump, 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 turning the road into a fruit supermarket. Sam tried to dodge one, swerved too hard, and crashed into the guardrail. Jenny, too focused on Sam, drove straight into a flying watermelon. Splat! Her windshield turned into a fruit salad. Joe, panicking, slammed the brakes, and his entire truck skidded sideways. The sound was terrifying. Screech! Boom! For a moment, silence. Then, one last watermelon rolled slowly down the road and gently tapped Sam's dented car with a sad thunk. Everyone climbed out. Sam covered in dust, Jenny wiping watermelon juice off her face, Joe apologizing nonstop. And then came the punchline. Jenny sighed. "You know what's funny? None of this would have happened if you guys just obeyed the traffic signs." The three of them looked at the broken vehicles, the mountain road filled with melons, and burst out laughing. Speeding may look exciting, but trust me, nobody wants to end up in a comedy crash. Drive safe, obey the rules, and keep your melons where they belong.